Hi everyone and welcome again. Today we are going to discuss the Backstage View of Microsoft Excel. And Backstage View means File tab. So we are discussing the Backstage View options and the File tab options. File tab options includes many commands and many tabs like New, Open, Info, Save as, History, Print, Share, Export, Publish, Close, Account, Feedback, and Options. So let's get practically to our Microsoft Excel. Here is File tab. And now when click on it, you will open Backstage View for Microsoft Excel. Like this. You find all these lists of commands and tabs. Home, New, Open, Info, Save as, Print, Share, Export, Publish, Close, Account, and more. There are feedback and options. Let's get started with Home. Home consists of new sheets. You can open blank workbook. Like this. This is a blank workbook, new workbook. Okay? File, Home. You can also open templates like Welcome to Excel, drop down tutorial, formula tutorial, and the other. And you can open more templates from here to open any templates. Okay? Let's get back to Home. Also, there is recent and pinned. Recent sheets. So I can delete the sheet. I can right click to open this sheet. Also, there are recent and pinned sheet. If you right click in the first sheet, you will find open a copy, delete file, copy path to clipboard, pin to list, and remove from list. If you want to pin this sheet and to be shown in the pinned sheets, just click on pin to list. So if you open pinned, you will find this sheet here in the pinned sheets. Okay, let's get back to recent sheets. You can right click here and you can unpin from the list if you want. You can remove from the list. You can copy path to clipboard. You can delete the file and you can open the file and open a copy. This is all option here in Home tab in Backstage View. Okay, let's go to New tab. New. Also, you can open blank workbook, new workbook here. Moreover, there are awesome templates made by Microsoft, so we will discuss these templates in detail later in the intermediate stage of this course. There are business templates and there are personal templates. There are planner and trackers. Also, there are lists. There are budget templates. There are charts templates. There are calendars templates. So don't worry, all these templates we will discuss in detail in the later lecture. Okay, let's open a new tab, and our tab here is open. You can open recent workbooks from here. This is all my recent workbooks I have launched in Microsoft Excel, and this is the date modified for these sheets. You can also open folders. The recent folders you have used and opened in Microsoft Excel. Also, you can browse your personal computer to open a specific sheet in your PC. Here is our info tab. Our info tab, you can copy path by copy path here, and this is our sheet path. Also, you can by info open file location. So this file located in our desktop here, Smart or Excel. Moreover, there are all information about this sheet here from properties such as size of the file. You can add title, tag, categories, and last modified date. You know all informations about this file. Also, you can open file location from here. You can know the author account here. You can expand all this information from show properties. So it's very helpful. Also, you can open this information from right click and properties of this file. So this is details and information details about this file. You can know general information about size on disk, and you can know all details about path and title, subject, tags, categories, last modified date, and so on. Okay? So let's summarize this lecture. We have discussed the Backstage View or File tab. We have Home, New, Open, Info. Home, you can open blank workbook. You can open templates in the sheet. Also, there are recent and pinned sheet. You can now and open the recent sheets you have opened and launched in Microsoft Excel. Also, you can pin a specific sheet to pinned sheet list. You can also right click here and open or delete or remove this file from the list. You can open a copy. You can unpin from list if you want. And here in new tab, you can open new blank workbook. You can also use the ready template of Microsoft Excel in various categories of our activity, such as business, personal, planner, budget, charts, and calendars. And we will discuss all these templates in detail later. Also, there is open. You can browse to open a specific file. You can open recent workbooks and recent folders from here. Also, from info, you can know the path, copy path from here, open file location, know the size, or add the title or tags, categories. You also know the last modified date and know the author account from here. This is our lecture today, and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.